Welcome to Bina AI Podcasting. This is a podcast lesson plan for teachers. How to create excitement and build your AI classroom in 3 easy steps. Lesson idea. 1. Decode the AI code. Imagine stepping into a world where machines speak their own language, and today you're the interpreter. You'll explore the fascinating story of how AI understands human language through a simple hands-on task, creating your own chatbot. With step-by-step guidance, you'll craft a tiny digital assistant that can answer basic questions. Think of it as giving a voice to your very first AI creation. By the end of this hour, you'll have the thrill of talking to a system you programmed yourself. Lesson 2. See the world as AI does. Did you know AI can see pictures the way we do, but only if trained properly? Today, you'll dive into the secret life of AI vision. Your challenge: train an AI model to recognize objects using simple tools. Imagine uploading photos of common items, a cup, a pen, and teaching your AI to identify them. It's like showing a curious friend how to see the world. By the end of the task, you'll have taught an AI to see through its own eyes, turning abstract concepts into something truly tangible. Lesson 3. AI and the art of decision-making. It's decision day. You'll discover how AI evaluates choices by creating a mini recommendation system. Think about how Netflix suggests what to watch next, or how online shops know your taste. Today, you'll recreate this magic by designing a simple system that suggests a snack based on preferences. It's like building a digital friend who knows exactly what you're craving. By the end, you'll have your very own algorithm that makes thoughtful choices.